Alright, so I wanted to show you guys that I lifted the motor from the oil pan. The one I did, it only lifted the driver's side up. So I got a 4-inch piece of 2x4 right here between the clamshell and the motor brackets to hold the motor up. What I did to get the passenger side up was I took a jack and a piece of wood, placed it right here under this bracket and pushed the motor up. And I also got a 4-inch piece of 2x4 wedged over here on the driver's side to hold the motor up so I can get enough room here to get the oil pan off. I think that's enough room. So yeah, I had to remove the transmission dipstick, the exhaust manifolds, not too bad, but it could be done. This is a 1984 Chevrolet Monte Carlo G-body. Didn't have to remove the motor to do the oil pan.